Ads. What's the funniest way your son has tried to bribe you? I woke my son up for school and he looked like he had witnessed a crime. I have a huge test today and I forgot to study. I told him, not my problem, get dressed. He stared at me, thinking his brain was working harder than it ever had for an actual test. Then he hit me with a business proposal. I'll wash your car. You write me a note to skip school. Now, any responsible parent would have said no. Unfortunately for my wife, I'm not that parent. His mom was at work. No one would know. And I'd get a free car wash. So obviously I took the deal. While my son scrubbed that car like he was trying to bring it back to factory condition, I was inside, stretched out on the couch, watching TV and living the dream for an hour and a half. Things were perfect. Then the front door opened. My wife came home. She scanned the room like a crime scene investigator. She saw her son skipping school. She saw me slumped on the couch like I was in a coma, and she immediately knew. She locked eyes with my son. Why are you home? Now, I thought my son would at least try to cover for me, maybe fumble through an excuse, buy me a little time to prepare my defense. Nope, this boy snitched before she even finished her sentence. Dad made a deal with me. He took the bribe. It was all his idea. Zero hesitation. I've never seen someone throw their own father under the bus so fast. I looked at him, betrayed. He looked at me, completely fine with it. She didn't even argue. Just grabbed his backpack, shoved it into his hands, and said, "Get in the car." Then she turned to me. "We'll talk later." That was 10 hours ago. She still hasn't talked to me, but every time she walks past, she glares at the car, which by the way looks incredible. It was definitely worth. Ads. What's the funniest way your son has tried to bribe you? I